Building and maintaining a candidate database on Top Echelon is an essential skill for any recruiter looking to stay organized and efficient. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to do just that. If you're new to the software, stay tuned because we're about to dive deep into making your recruiting process much smoother. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to build and maintain an organized candidate database from scratch. First, let's talk about setting up your database. Once you've logged into Top Echelon, the first step is to create candidate profiles. The platform allows you to enter detailed information about each candidate, including their contact info, job history, skills, and preferences. The more information you input, the easier it will be to find the right candidates when a position comes up. One of the best features of Top Echelon's candidate database is its search functionality. You can search for candidates using a variety of filters, such as job titles, skills, and experience level. This allows you to quickly narrow down your database and find the best matches for a specific role. You can even tag candidates with keywords to keep track of their status or special notes, making it much easier to organize and access their profiles in the future. Maintaining your database is just as important as building it. To keep your candidate database fresh and relevant, Top Echelon provides tools for keeping candidate records updated. Whenever you have new interactions with a candidate, whether it's an interview, a phone call, or an email, be sure to update their profile with that information. This ensures you're always up to date on their status and availability. Another tip for maintaining an organized candidate database is to regularly clean up old profiles. Top Echelon lets you archive or delete candidates who are no longer relevant to your searches. This helps declutter your database and ensures you're focusing on the most promising leads. If you're managing a team, Top Echelon allows you to collaborate with colleagues. You can share candidate profiles, add notes, and even communicate directly within the platform. This collaboration feature helps streamline the recruiting process and ensures everyone on your team has the information they need to make informed decisions. Now, if you want to really maximize the power of Top Echelon, I suggest taking full advantage of its integration with job boards and social media platforms. You can import candidate data from these sources, helping you save time while keeping your database filled with high-quality leads. Before I go, I want to remind you that you can use Top Echelon for free. Yes, there's an exclusive trial linked below that lets you explore all the features I've just mentioned without any cost. By using our link, you'll also get some amazing bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. So, in summary, building and maintaining a candidate database on Top Echelon is all about inputting detailed information, regularly updating profiles, and using the platform's tools to stay organized. With a clean, well-maintained database, you'll be able to quickly match candidates to open roles, collaborate with your team, and grow your recruiting efforts. If you want to get started with a completely free trial and explore these features for yourself, check the link in the description below.